Hello and welcome to another Get On With Maths video. Today we're going to have a look at changing recurring decimals into fractions. So what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to have a go at the 8 questions around the grid. Make sure you've paused the video, and when you're ready to go through some answers, unpause them and we'll go through them together. So pause the video now and have a go. Okay, hopefully you had a go at these 8 questions now. I think, again, this is a topic that looks quite difficult but is relatively simple. There's a couple of more tricky questions in here. But if we start up in this corner up here, okay, 0.7 recurring. So obviously this means that this 7 goes on and on and on and on and on. What we're going to do then, when it's a recurring decimal, is we're just going to put 7 over how many numbers are recurring. Oh, there's 1, and so we're just going to put a 9, okay? So if you've got a calculator on you, what you could do now is you could just type in 7 divided by 9, and then you'll notice what you get is 0.7777777, and it'll probably end with an 8 just to show that it's reoccurring, but it doesn't quite fit on the calculator screen. But literally, that is all you have to do when you've got one as simple as this. So exactly the same thing over here this time, so 0.3 recurring. So you're going to go with 3, and then there's 1 digit, so that's only 1 9. So you have 3 over 9. Now, I would have a look at this and I'd think instantly to myself, oh, I can simplify that. So just simplify that one. They both divide by 3, so you've got 1 over 3. So let's look at this next one over here then. So this time you've got 0.63 recurring. So that means that this question goes 0.63636363, and it goes on like that. So for this one, what you're going to do is you're going to write 63, and then you've got 2 digits, so you're going to go with 2 9s, okay, so 9 9, so it becomes 63 over 99, which, like last time, I can simplify, because hopefully both of these appear, well, they appear in a number of times tables together, but I'm going to divide both of them by 9, which is going to give me 7 over 11. Let's look at this one down here then. You can see the reoccurrings are spread out a little bit, which just means everything within this bracket reoccurs. So it's 0.201, 201, 201, 201, and it goes on like that. So again, just like we've done before, you're going to go 201 over, and then you've got 1, 2, 3, so 9, 9, 9. You're going to be picking yourself up 1 mark for doing it like this, okay? What you always need to just double check is if you can divide it, if you can simplify it, and once again we can do. For this one, you can divide it by 3. So it gives me 67, look at that, quick maths, over 3, 3, 3. All pretty simple so far. Looking at this one then, 0.21, so that's 0.212121, etc, etc. You're going to go 21 over 99. Okay, so again, just having a look, can I simplify it? Yes, I can. Both of those divide by 3, which gives me 7 over 33. Okay. Let's look at this question down here then, because this one's a little bit different, because you've got this 0 here, and then you've got the reoccurring sign. So what that means is, if you think about it, it goes 0.05555555, and that goes on forever. So it is slightly different, so we're going to approach it slightly differently. This, I can write out, is the same as if I wrote it like this. So if I wrote 0.5 reoccurring divided by 10. Okay, because think about it, if I was dividing it by 10, everything would shift one place, and then it would end up with 0.05 recurring. So if I just gave you this question here, 0.5 recurring, it would look like the ones you had up here and up here. So you would just say to me that that was 5 over 9, because it's 1 digit. But you've still got to do this divide by 10. Okay, so divide by 10. Now, remember, you could do that as an actual divide question. You could do 5 over 9 divided by 10 over 1. But a nice quick way is if you're dividing a fraction by 10, you just add a 0 to this bottom number down here. So all I'm going to get now is 5 over 90. Okay, and again, just like last time, can I simplify that one? Yes, I can. Divide them both by 5, and you get 1 over 18. So we're going to use the same approach then for this question here. If I pretend then that this one is 0.4, okay, recurring, and obviously I'm dividing that by 10. So this would become 4 over 9 divided by 10, which would give me 4 over 90. Does that simplify? Okay, yeah, I can half both of them, so I end up with 2 over 45. Okay, So really, really simple. Just look at those steps again. Pretend that it goes from this to this, but put in that divide by 10, and then go from there. This last one then, nothing's difficult about this question. It's just like the first ones we've had already, so it's a relatively nice one to finish on. You're going to get 6 over 9, which you know can simplify nice and easily to 2 over 3. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you've got a bit more of an idea about reoccurring decimals, turning them into fractions. Just be careful with those ones that have got those extra zeros in. I want you to have a little think about what would happen if there were some more zeros in there. How would that affect the question? Make sure you check the other videos in our Gradu8 series, and thanks for watching.